It's been a huge shift in strategic thinking for a lot of businesses. This recognition, like, for the entire history of business, we've had this concept of partnerships, but so many partnerships were always thought of as these point-to-point interactions. Oh, it's me and this particular partner and what we specifically do. And what you're seeing, certainly the explosion of the digital world, where suddenly everything becomes adjacent to everything else, really helped create a sea change in even what was possible. But what you see now is around any given company and the customers they serve, there are all these other companies who also serve those customers, and a number that are related in some way, either directly or just one or two steps indirectly to what that company does. And for the customers, they're like orchestrating with a series of these folks. And I think ecosystem strategy and ecosystem real leadership of a business is recognizing all these different kinds of companies that are serving your customer, and how do you start to really intentionally develop the relationships beyond the immediate, like obvious partnerships, like that next wave out. And then there's sort of one more step beyond that, which is it's not just your relationship with those different kinds of partners, it's the relationships those different kinds of partners have with each other. And to the degree that you can help facilitate the synergies here, this sort of web of alliances to just get more effective in serving the same customer when they fall into the space where you're overlapping. Someone buying software from a platform company like HubSpot, they might have different app integration partners that they connect with from a tech perspective. They might have a different agency they're using for like their advertising management. They might have a consultancy they're using for implementing their tech stack. They might have another group they're using for training, that sort of people enablement side. All of these actually need to work together well in order for that customer to truly be successful with this total adoption. And so when you start looking at it through that lens and trying to orchestrate it that way, man, it's an incredibly powerful model for business.